Hi, everyone. I just wanted to show you a quick little reminder about your assignments when I grade them. So this is what your student view might look like. And on the left, you see there's a little notification when I've graded something. And when you click on grades, it will take you to the grade screen where you can see the grade that you've been given. But most importantly, I wanted to show you how to read my comments. So let's see while this loads. So you'll see that I've graded this pretend student's assignment, and it's a score of 10 out of 10. And then you'll notice right here this little icon here. And when you click on that, the comment that I left will actually be visible here. And you can reply to the comment if you want to. If you click on your assignment specifically on the right, you'll see my comment over here, and you can respond. You can attach something, you can comment to me. So I tend to leave pretty thoughtful, long comments on your assignments, and we can always have a dialogue. So if you want to respond, sometimes I will pose a question. Anyways, just wanted to show you a quick reminder on how to view the comments that I make on your assignments.